Do you want to feel better about your health in just 5 minutes? Welcome to the world of quick exercise routines that are designed to boost your health and mood. These short yet effective activities can be easily incorporated into your daily life, playing a crucial role in enhancing your overall well-being. The importance of exercise isn't just about keeping fit, it's about feeling good too. Remember, feeling better about your health isn't a long and arduous journey. It starts with simple steps. Now imagine being able to boost your health in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, just 5 minutes out of your 24 hours. So let's dive right into this quick and easy routine. To kick things off, we start with 1 minute of deep breathing. Inhale through your nose, hold that breath for a moment, then exhale through your mouth. This simple act can help reduce stress, promote relaxation, and improve focus. Next, we move on to 1 minute of stretching. Reach up to the sky, down to your toes, and twist from side to side. Stretching increases flexibility, boosts circulation, and can even help improve your posture. For the third minute, we engage in a bit of on-the-spot jogging. This gets your heart rate up, improves cardiovascular health, and helps burn calories. Remember, it's not about speed, but consistency. Minute 4 is all about strength. We perform a series of bodyweight squats. These squats work your entire lower body and core, helping to build strength and endurance. Lastly, we cool down with 1 more minute of deep, mindful breathing. This helps to bring your heart rate back to its resting state and allows you to focus on the here and now. And there you have it, a simple yet effective 5-minute routine to boost your health. Just 5 minutes a day can make a world of difference. So, why not start today? You might be wondering, what good can a 5-minute routine do? Let's delve into this. Picture your heart, the life-giving pump within you. A 5-minute routine can help keep it healthy, improving your cardiovascular health. It's like giving your heart a mini workout, helping it to become stronger and more efficient. Now imagine the stress of everyday life slowly melting away, replaced by a sense of calm and tranquility. That's the power of this routine in reducing stress. It's like a pressure valve, releasing the day's tension and leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Let's not forget the mood-boosting benefits. It's like the sun breaking through the clouds on a rainy day. These 5 minutes can lift your spirits, leaving you feeling happier and more positive. These small changes, when done consistently, can lead to a greater sense of well-being. It's about making your health a priority, one 5-minute routine at a time. 5 minutes a day can make a world of difference. Start today and feel better about your health.